Hi there. I'm going to show you how to solve a limiting reactant problem. So the first thing we need to do is figure out what are we trying to find. So I'm going to read the problem here. How many grams of lithium nitrate will... Whoa, hold on a second. How many grams? That is a good indicator that this is the thing that we are trying to find. How many grams of lithium nitrate? So there we have it. We've already figured out what the end of the problem is going to be. Now we've got to figure out what information do we have to start with. So I'm going to keep reading. How many grams of lithium nitrate will be needed to make 250 grams of lithium sulfate? Okay, so this 250 grams of lithium sulfate is the thing that we're aiming for. That's a number. That's the only number I see in the problem so far. I'm betting that is a good place for us to start problem solving. So let's set this thing up. 250 grams of lithium sulfate. Okay, so the next step is going to be to figure out, if that's how many grams of lithium sulfate we have, how many moles is that? And once we've figured out how many moles of lithium sulfate that is, we are going to use our mole ratio of lithium sulfate to lithium nitrate in order to figure out how many moles of lithium nitrate do we have, or is that going to produce. Once we've done that, then we're just going to figure out how many grams. Sorry, that's the wrong way. How many grams of lithium nitrate is that? Alright, so first step is figure out how many moles is this. So we're going to need to divide by the molar mass of lithium sulfate, which is 1 mole for every 109.44 grams. Okay, now if you're not sure how to find that, then I encourage you to go watch the video on finding molar mass. That'll clear that up a bit. Basically, you add up the mass of 2 lithiums, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygens. And when you add that whole thing up, you get 109.44 grams. Alright, so this tells me that I have a total of 2.28 moles of lithium sulfate. Great. Now that I know the moles of lithium sulfate, I want to figure out, according to our mole ratio, this equation here, how many moles of lithium nitrate is that going to produce. So 2.28 moles of lithium sulfate. If I want to figure out how many moles of lithium nitrate that's going to produce, I need that mole ratio of 4 to 2. So for every 4 moles of lithium nitrate, we are going to have 2 moles of lithium sulfate. And you might have been wondering, why did I put these units in the bottom? Well, why didn't I flip the 2 and the 4? Well, the reason is because I want to make sure that whatever units I have in the bottom are going to cancel out with the units of the thing that I was starting with. We're trying to get rid of those old units and end up hopefully with moles of lithium nitrate. Alright, so you perform the calculations here, and what does this give us? It's 4.56 moles of lithium nitrate. Just going to double check. Yeah, 4.56. Awesome. So now we've got the number of moles of lithium nitrate. Perfect. How many grams is that? 4.56 moles lithium nitrate. What is the molar mass of lithium nitrate? Well, this time we're going to multiply, and it is 68.95 grams of lithium nitrate for every 1 mole of lithium nitrate. And with that, you run it into the calculator, 68.95 times 4.56, and this gives us a whopping 314.41 grams of lithium nitrate. And that, ladies and gentlemen, grams of lithium nitrate is the answer we were looking for.